In this video, we will learn how we can create a QR code for Spotify playlist. Let's get started. First of all, you need to visit spotify.com, or you can also open the Spotify app. Then you need to locate your playlist that you want to create a QR code for. I have the following playlist. You need to open your favorite playlist. Then on the playlist page, you need to click on the overflow menu or three dots. Then click share. Then click copy link to playlist. Once you copied, open a new tab and go to the following website, qrgenerator.org. Here you need to choose the QR type as link and paste the Spotify playlist link here. Once you paste, the QR code will automatically be generated. You can customize it with colors, design, logo, and many more options. Once done, click on the Save button. Then you have the following options to download your QR code. You can download as PNG, SVG, PDF, or even you can print it. I will download in the PNG format. As we have already downloaded our QR code, now it's time to scan and test it. We will use the Scan QR app. I will place the link for this app in the description. Open this app, then point it to the QR code. You can see as we pointed, the QR code automatically directed us to the Spotify playlist. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe